At the beginning of the trading week, market sentiment in the stock market is buoyant. Stock indexes kicked off the new week with a rise during the Asia-Pacific session. So learn more about the new events in the Forex market in today's video. The USDX index, which measures the strength of the greenback against its 6 major rivals, gained ground amid high demand. The quote reached the level of 97.65 on the background of traders' optimism. Investors believe that the Fed will not reduce the key rate. Having assessed the recent macroeconomic statistics, they came to the conclusion that the rate will not be changed. Additionally, they did not take note of the report on industrial production in the United States that showed a decline in December. What's more, the University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index also weakened. However, investors prefer to take into account only positive data on the growth of a number of new housing permits. At the moment, the political situation is twofold. The Senate received a document prepared by the Democrats where the reasons for the impeachment of the US president are stated. Nevertheless, market participants did not discouraged by this news. They continued to buy the American currency, awaiting the Senate's verdict. The demand remains high, mostly due to the signing of the Phase 1 trade agreement with China. Traders are hesitant, despite the fact that they are not refrained from buying risky assets. The demand for them is still modest. Thus, the movements of the quartz are particularly unnoticeable. For instance, the dollar-yen pair is holding near an 8-month high. It has not yet managed to break above the resistance level at 110.26. This is why technical analysis experts assume that the trend will soon change and the quote will return to the level of 109.74. The AUD-USD pair reflects risky sentiment in the Asia-Pacific region. Judging by its dynamics, traders of this pair also prefer cautious trading. It seems speculators have finally factored in the harmful impact of forest fires on the Australian economy that may force the RBA to reduce the key rate. The AUD-USD pair, as we expected, is trading towards the level of 0.6850, but for now it's stuck at 0.6875. The odds are that the pair will jump up but then resume its downward trend, so investors are likely to open short deals on the pair amid such price movement. That's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See you on our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.